Hi guys, if you have lost your data or you have removed your data accidentally, then this video is for you because in this video we are going to recover our lost data. Last week I lost some of my personal data and I found this tool, and this tool really amazing. It's some sort of magic. So let's start the video, and first of all let me show you my data. Uh, let's my navigate the USB, and inside the USB I have put the two files. One is the snapshot, which is basically a picture, and the second one is basically a text file. So subscribe my channel. So if you didn't subscribe yet, you can subscribe my channel as early as possible. So these two files are my data, and let's say I'm going to delete this data on permanent basis. Shift delete, and after that let me show you the recycle bin. It is absolutely empty, and let me show you the software. The software is Stellar Info. Stellar is basically a software. Stellar it is the one of the best data recovery software, because last week I used it personally and I'm really impressed. So I thought that I should create video on that. So website is the stellarinfo.com. You can go on to this website and you can download this tool, and I will put the link in the description, so no need to worry about that. Once you on this website, then you have to click onto the free download, or you can click onto the more info in order to learn more about the software. And just you have to click onto the free download, and downloading will be started instantly. So I have already downloaded the software, so in order to save the time, so let me show you my download folder, and you can see that it is available here. So once you have this software, once you downloaded this, just you have to double click on it, click onto the yes, and then okay, and then next, and then it will be installed. So pretty much is simple installation. So I will already install that in order to ease out the process and in order to save the time. And so this one is the software. Just you have to double click on it because we have already removed the data. So this software also offers you create image and so many other options, but in this video we are particularly talking about the recovery of data. So we will limit our video towards the recovery of data. So this is the simple interface as compared to the other software, and there are many softwares available in the local market or online stores, but they are pretty much complex. But this software I personally like this because the interface is very simple. So just you have to click onto the recover from, then you have to select your drive, and then just you have to click scan. So in single scan you will get your data, but if you want to deep scan, then you have this option as well. So just click onto the scan, and you can see that how fast it is. So that this is the beauty of this software as compared to the other softwares that are pretty much time consuming and pretty much slow, but this software is the next level software, no doubt. So I personally like this software. So click OK, and then you can see that we deleted two files. One is the test 123 and other one is the pic. So once you found your related files, then you have to right click on it and simply recover. Then you have to select the location. So you can select any location. Let's say I'm going to select C drive. I have already created a backup folder, and I had given the name backup. Double click on it, select the folder and save. So you can see that how fast it is. And the second file is test 123. So let's recover it. Select the folder, and skip, and done. So let's check out the data. So you can see that our all of data are recovered. Let's check out the data. It is okay or not. So you can see that this was the image and successfully recovered. So subscribe my channel. You can see that. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, so I request you again, subscribe my channel. So so thank you so much for watching this video, and most importantly, this software is one of the fantastic software because I personally used it. So if you lost your data, obviously you don't want to go into the computer market. Obviously you don't want to put your computer or private data into the third party hand. So you can recover all of your data at your home. So last thing is that this software is basically is not free. So if you click onto the buy now, then you will have a plan, and this software is cheap as compared to the other software that are available. So if you want to recover your data, definitely you can choose standard plan, and you have professional plan as well, and you have premium plan as well. So you can use your plan, or you can choose your plan according to your use. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Give the thumbs up. See you in the next video.